guys! Welcome back to my channel, Pinay Wanderer. Grace here. And today, we're partnering with an absolute game changer that makes daily commuting or traveling and even work life so much easier. And also, if you're always on the go like me, you're going to love this product. Let me introduce you to the Bange's Business Commute Backpack. First of all, this bag is built to last. It's made of high-density coated Oxford fabric, which means it's waterproof, scratch-resistant, and super durable. Rain, spills, no problem at all. Now, here's my favorite part. The 180-degree opening. The laptop compartment opens fully, making packing and unpacking so easy. It safely fits a 15.6-inch laptop, or even the 17 inches fits comfortably. And the storage, it's insane. This backpack has 5 smart pockets designed for real life. The main compartment fits 4 to 5 clothes, perfect for overnight trips. The front pockets for shoes, umbrella, or magazines, and the extra pockets for wallets, phones, pens, and your daily essentials. Everything stays organized, no digging, no stress. Designed for comfort and convenience, it comes with premium YKK zippers, a multi-function shoulder straps, and a glasses hook, so you're not wasting time looking for them. This backpack is actually very lightweight. It's sleek, modern, and professional, perfect for business, daily commute, travel, outdoor use, and overnight trips. This is not just a backpack. It's gonna be your work bag, your travel bag, your everyday essential bag. So if you're tired of replacing backpacks that doesn't last long, it's time to upgrade smart. Click the link in the description box and grab the Bange's Business Commute Backpack and level up your daily backpack today. Don't forget to follow for more must-have finds, and I'll see you on my next adventure. Bye!